See, the big Z? ZIM integrated shipping services that container shipping company currently undergoing a strategic review process, exploring various alternatives to maximize almighty shareholder value. The ZIM board has received multiple competitive proposals for acquiring the company, including a revised offer from a group led by CEO Eli Glickman and Rami Ungar. After evaluating this proposal, the board concluded that it undervalued the company and rejected it. The strategic review is now focused on exploring potential value creation opportunities, including the sale of the company and capital allocation strategies. The review is nearing completion, but no guarantees exist that any transaction will occur. At the same time, there have been speculations about potential acquirers, with Mediterranean Shipping Company, MSC, being mentioned as a leading contender. However, MSC has denied any interest in acquiring ZIM. Other companies, such as Hapag-Lloyd and Maersk, were also reportedly interested, though Hapag-Lloyd has not commented publicly. ZIM has engaged investment bank Evercore as an advisor throughout this process. In addition to the strategic review, ZIM has been involved in a proxy fight with a minority shareholder group that aimed to replace 3 of the 8 board members. This group also sought a special dividend from ZIM's cash reserves. However, ZIM reached an agreement with the shareholder group, expanding the board from 8 to 10 members, with a unified slate of director nominees now presented for approval at the company's upcoming annual meeting. This resolution allows the board to focus on the strategic review without further disruption. A significant consideration for any potential deal is ZIM's golden share structure, which allows the Israeli government to veto transactions if more than 24% of the company is sold. This provision is in place to protect national security, as ZIM operates in sectors deemed critical to Israel's infrastructure. If a foreign entity were to acquire the company, it would require approval from Israel's Prime Minister and Transportation Minister. So as ZIM is progressing through its strategic review, balancing proposals for potential acquisition with shareholder demands, while considering the impact of its government-related restrictions, the Z factor could lie with shareholders who are encouraged to vote in favor of the 10 director nominees at the upcoming annual meeting to ensure the continued focus on maximizing value for all stakeholders. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.